Good morning, good morning. Happy Saturday, y'all. So we're gonna do it again. On my way to the car lot. We're gonna see what happens. I got all my stuff now. Got all my paperwork. Oh, wait, you know what? No, I don't. Hold on, y'all. I'll be back. Okay, now I got everything. Waiting for my mama. Mama wanna come, y'all. Now we got everything. It's Saturday morning. Well, I just told y'all that earlier when Roxy was walking. All right, y'all. So we're on our way now, and I'll be back when we get to the lot. Okay? I'll be back. Look at my mama, y'all.
Oh, so
Oh, hi. Hi, y'all. Hi, I'm going shopping. She's going shopping. All right, y'all. Okay, this time I'll see y'all at the lot.
Can you get that one right there?
No.
Sure. You want to go there, keep her in the back.
It doesn't matter.
Oh, okay.
I got that table right there.
All right. Okay. Thank you. Senior rides to take you over to DMV.
All right, y'all. So I gave her my information, and now we just wait. I was gonna go look, but Mom said it's too hot to go outside. So it is kind of hot. It's 99 already. So she said, "You can go. You go. I won't sit right here."
See that? You like that dog over there?
Yeah, he's so cute. They got this dog in here. He is so big and cute, like a big old gentle giant.
You probably had him since.
Look at him. Let me show y'all this dog. Look at him. He's so big. How you doing, Sahi? It's so bright out here. So we're over here at Tobin Dodge, but I'm about to get an electric vehicle. They have the special right now where they are, I guess government is giving you like $4,000. $4,000. They give you the $4,000 down on the vehicle. So that's how I get the electric vehicle. But these cars are absolutely too small. I don't want nothing this small. Yeah, see, these are electric. These are not cute. I don't like these. And I told her I didn't want nothing small. Yeah, I don't like these at all. These are not cute. These are all electric. Okay. I don't know, y'all. Let's see. I'll be back. YouTube. How y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. I just took the trash out. I came out here. It feels so good out here. It's still kind of hot, but it's windy. Oh, it feels good out here. I want to show y'all something. Right, hold on. I want to show y'all something. There she is. I did it, y'all. Got my little bucket. Excuse me. I rebuked that comment. I got my car. Uh-oh, sorry. All right, y'all. It's all me. It feels so good to not have to stress about having wheels, a vehicle. It's all me. It's all me, y'all. A little Kia Niro. So no more me stressing y'all about me not having a car. There's my baby. I have to give her a name. I've never ever in my life had a red car. So all my cars have been black or gray. So yeah, there she is. We gotta give her a sexy name. It's cute. It got power too. Get up and go. So yeah, you guys, I got the car. I got my car and I'm so excited. Now I feel like I'm moving forward. You know, this is one less thing that I have to worry about now. And so now the next step is moving. Now we're gonna be moving. That's what we need to be doing. I got my car, y'all. I did it. There she is. I was talking about get the window tinted, but the windows are already tinted. So yeah, that's me. I got my baby. So like I said, that's one less thing I have to worry about. Now we have to move up out of here. It's time. Everyone needs their own space. And I'm gonna eventually show y'all once we move out of here how it look. Like I said, I don't want to invade my son or my mom's privacy like that. So, but yeah, we got a car, y'all. So that's the first step of moving forward. You know what I'm saying? New job. Started my job a month ago and I got a car now. I was really in my feelings in my head. Then I had to check myself and be like, girl, you are blessed. You are truly blessed. You're blessed. Who gets a job and then in 1 month get a car with no money down? That's all I'm gonna say. God is good. Won't he do it? Look at God. But anyway, I just want to let my family know that I got the car. And I appreciate all the congratulations on the 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate that. I love you guys. I'm gonna go in here. So for real, tonight I'm gonna do a QA. I'm gonna answer. I got a couple of questions. I'm gonna answer them. Give me a couple of hours. I'm gonna come back on, and then I'm gonna answer all y'all questions. And yeah, let y'all know why I'm here, how I got here, what I plan on doing moving forward. So yeah, I have the answers for all those questions. So I'll be back. Love you guys.